Today I'm going to show you how to install a relay switch on a golf cart. You could use this method for anything that would require a relay. Check out the video. I created a diagram for you to check out. Hopefully it's efficient enough for you guys to understand how it works. And if for some reason you have an issue trying to follow, don't hesitate to send me a message, leave me a comment, or you can easily find my email. Stay tuned and hope you enjoy. In this diagram, you're going to notice the power button throbbing, and all that's doing is showing you that there's power going to that button, along with power going to the lights up front and the lights at the top and bottom, which are technically in the side of the golf cart, that are illuminated. These lights are able to turn on with the power in the off position. The problem with the setup is that with my golf cart, I end up setting up the push buttons to be illuminated when the power was off to the actual units, whether it was to lights or a charging port or whatever. So what I needed to do is install a relay to eliminate that issue. I'm assuming you might have a converter if you have a golf cart, but whatever you have this connected to, you have to interrupt the power from the battery to the converter. So you're gonna cut that wire, and then you're gonna connect the black relay wire to the positive of the battery. Then you're gonna connect the red relay wire to the positive in of your converter if you have a converter or whatever you're attaching to. So basically that relay is just interrupting that direct flow from the battery to the converter. Once that's connected, you're going to go ahead and connect your white wire to the negative terminal of your battery. If you already have a converter, then you're going to see your converter is attached to that as well. You don't have to worry about the negative converter wire that's connected to your negative terminal. Once everything is secure, you're going to run and connect your yellow wire from the relay to your ignition switch. My switch has two connections. There's two ways you could do this. One way is you could test what connection has a power going to it, where you would test it with a multimeter, or you could do it like I did and just kind of copy another YouTuber on how he did it, and I just connected to the blue wire and it worked. But before you fully run everything, you could connect it and see if it works. If the switch is off and nothing turns on, congratulations, you installed it properly. Then all you got to do at that point, just kind of uninstall the wire and just run it under your floorboard or whatever. If you connected it wrong, then obviously if you turn the power on or if the power's off, you might have some type of issue there with the way it's going to function. This is how I had it set up. I'll see if I can link the other YouTube video of the other YouTuber who installed a relay on his golf cart in the description, so maybe it'll help you guys out as well. But I tried to do this as clear as possible. I did take a video of the wires and that didn't work out just because it was kind of messy. What I wanted to show here is that the only way this is going to work now is when I switch the ignition to the on position. This allows me to turn the power on and off at my leisure by using these buttons. So for instance, if I push the power button, you can see now it's throbbing. That's showing that the front lights are on. The button that is fading in and out, those are kind of still indication that it's off, and now it's powered on, and you can see those side lights illuminated. And when I say side lights, I'm talking about the purple lights that are there. Hopefully this helped. Feel free to reach out with any questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit that like button, subscribe and share. And also, if you guys are interested, I have an Etsy store. You could check out some of my shirt designs, and also I have an Amazon link or some Amazon links for you to click on and check out some of the items I used in this specific video. I'll see if I can link anything else that would come in handy for you guys. Don't hesitate to reach out. You can leave a comment, you can send me an email, and I'll try my best to answer any questions you have. Thanks again for watching.